How to add money to ORCA Card? Adding money to your ORCA Card can be done through various methods, including online at retail locations or at ORCA ticket vending machines. Here's a general guide on how to add funds to your ORCA Card. Visit the official website of ORCA. Look for an option like Relate My Card. Click on the option. Here you may need to give necessary information like your card number, the amount you want to add, or many other relevant details. Confirm the process. Some transit agencies may offer phone-based services for adding funds to your ORCA card. Check with your transit agency to see if this option is available. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.